Hey guys, so today I'm gonna fix all the buttons. I just got them now from River. 23 buttons. Those are the one I received the synthesizer with. Took them all out. Cleaned everything that is in need of a clean. And now I'm gonna apply the new ones, 23 number. So hopefully everything is gonna work just fine. I'm gonna start my soldering work now. Montage.
By the way guys, the music you're listening to is beats that I made. You can check them out in my YouTube channel. Give me a subscribe and hit that bell button and I really appreciate it. Let's go back.
Okay, the moment of truth. You can see the LED here is working and doesn't seem to work. Okay, this works, which is good. But this does not. So let me try to figure it out. Okay, so I got to figure it out. Basically here, the input-output sync was in input, so it was waiting for a signal. I'm sorry. So it seems to be working. It seems to be working. Woo! So I'm gonna put everything back together.
So applying the plastic covers on the buttons was really hard. I had the new buttons, they fit, but they fit so good that it's like you really need to put force and press it. And it was kinda difficult to understand how to put it back because it's engineered kinda weird, but I managed to put it back together and this is the result.
So everything is set up and ready to go, shiny. I added some protection on this for the switch against things that might go in. And let's see that everything is working correctly. Kick drums. Everything seems to be working as should. Perfect.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. I will try to make them better and better each and every video. Please subscribe if you like the content and let's go.